Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when you can't download apps on iPhone. Apps on iPhone make our lives easier by allowing us to work, learn, travel, shop, entertain, and so on all in one platform. So, your life will come to a sudden halt when the iPhone won't download apps. Here's a common scenario. You go to the App Store app and press the Get option to download an app. However, the loading icon only shows up for a few seconds then goes back to the Get option. Or you receive an error message saying unable to install, please try again later, or verification required while waiting. If you're experiencing the app download issues on your iPhone, here we'll show you the possible causes and trustworthy solutions. Why isn't your iPhone allowing you to download apps? This could happen when you download a new app even though it's free. Some users also say they have an issue when downloading apps from the App Store after transferring from an old iPhone to a new one. Below are some potential causes for the issue. Your iPhone is not ready enough to download an app due to an unstable network, insufficient memory space, or low power. There might be an error cropping out from the operating system or the app itself. Too many apps are being downloaded at a time. You haven't added a payment method for the App Store, or it's expired or invalid. There is a problem related to the Apple ID account. Corrupted settings stop the apps from downloading on iPhone. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix an iPhone that won't download apps. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Turn on Wi-Fi to download apps. Network connection is the basis to download an app from the App Store. Both cellular data and Wi-Fi are okay, and using Wi-Fi is recommended. So, open the control center and make sure the Wi-Fi option is enabled. It's also worth checking the airplane mode isn't on and your device battery has enough power. Now, go to the App Store and download the app again to see if it works this time. Check the storage space. If the phone seems to download and install the app but it's not when the network is good, the next thing is to check the phone's memory. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone home screen, open the Settings app. Tap General. Choose iPhone Storage. Take a look at how much storage is left. If it's almost full, go and spare at least 6 GB memory space by deleting unused files. If it's enough, move to the next step to fix an iPhone not downloading apps. Force quit the App Store app then reopen it. It's possible that the App Store goes wrong so that you're not able to download apps on iPhone. To refresh the app, just force quit the app and then launch it again. Here's how to do that. Open the app switcher by swiping up or double-clicking the home button. Locate the App Store app and swipe up its card to close the app. Wait for a few seconds and tap the App Store app icon. Then, try to download an app to see if you now get it working again. Pause the app download then resume. Normally, after you tap the Get option to download an app, the app icon will appear on the home screen with a circling icon. If you find the download has slowed or stalled, just stop it for a while then continue. Here's how to do that. Find the app you're trying to download on the home screen. Tap it and it should show the pause button and stop the app download. Wait for a few seconds, and then tap it again and the download will continue. See if your iPhone can download the app successfully. Add a valid payment method. For real-person verification and security purposes, every user is required to add a valid payment method to download apps on the iPhone's App Store. This is also necessary for downloading apps that are free of charge. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone home screen, tap the Settings app to open it. Tap your name at the top. Choose the Payment and Shipping option. If asked, enter your Apple ID password to sign in. Choose the Add Payment Method option. Next, put in the details of the payment method you prefer and tap Done. Now, try again and you should manage to get apps downloaded on iPhone. Change the payment method if it prompts errors. A lot of users claim that apps on iPhone are not downloading because of the error messages like billing problem with previous purchase or verification required. If this is what troubles you, go and change the payment method. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone home screen, tap the Settings app to open it. Tap your name at the top. Choose the Payment and Shipping option. If it asks you to sign in, just put in the account credentials. Find and tap the billing information of the card you need to change and tap Edit. Fill in the new billing information and tap Done. Now, force quit the App Store first, then reopen it to download the app and see if it succeeds. Prioritize the download if there are many tasks. Downloading and installing one app should go smoothly. However, having multiple apps downloaded at one time can slow down the process, rendering you think that the iPhone can't download the apps. To fix it, tap the loading app icon on the home screen to pause all the app downloads. Next, prioritize the download for a specific app first. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone home screen, find the app that won't download and long press it. In the opening menu, choose Prioritize Download. Now, your iPhone should be starting to download the app you want. Sign out of the account on the App Store, then sign back in. To rule out the problem with your Apple account associated with the App Store, sign it out. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone home screen, open the Settings app. From the top, tap your name. Choose Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out. Enter the password if prompted. Wait for a few seconds. Then tap Sign In and key in the correct Apple ID and password. Once done, find the app you want to download at the App Store app and tap Get. If the problem is related to the account, then your iPhone should manage to download the apps. Do a simple restart to refresh the system. If everything looks good but the iPhone is still not downloading apps from the App Store, turn off the phone then turn it back on. This trick helps refresh the system and clear any potential bugs or corruption without affecting your saved files and settings. Here's how to do that. First, shut down the phone. If you use an iPhone 10 or later models, press both the volume up and the side button together. If you use an iPhone 8 or previous models, long press the side button. Drag the red power off slider to the right after it appears. Now, your iPhone is off. Wait for at least 30 seconds. To turn your iPhone back on, long press the side button on the right. When the Apple logo shows up, let go of the button and your iPhone will boot up by itself. Now, you've resolved bugs preventing app downloads on your phone. Make sure the date and time feature is set up correctly. On your iPhone home screen, open the Settings app. Choose General. Find and choose Date and Time. Locate the Set Automatically option and move the toggle to the green on status. Don't forget to test if you fix iPhone apps not downloading issues. Update iOS on your iPhone. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. Choose Download and Install if it tells you there is an available iOS update. After the upgrade, go to the App Store and see if your iPhone can download apps now. Reset all settings on the device. This helps refresh all the settings on the phone and clear away potential bugs making you unable to download free apps on iPhone. It only restores settings to factory defaults and no data will be deleted. Here's how to do that. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Go to the Service Center. If your iPhone still cannot download apps from the App Store, go to an Apple retail store or Apple authorized service provider for help. The expert there will look into the app download issues further with you and offer a solution. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix an iPhone that can't download apps. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.